How to check debug true/false in Django template. Exactly in Layout.Html. I would like to distinguish a look of some toolbar in Layout.Html depending if debug equals true or not. I am aware of this answer using django.core.context_processors.debug, but it forces me to use request context instead of request what I not really like. BTW, how can I use request context for Layout.Html, which extends base.html? And generally, is there some better way to that than mention one or the one using custom template tag? I am currently on Django 1.7.
In newer versions of Django, it is possible just by specifying internal_IPS in settings. For example, and then in template just. Because context process is responsible for that by default, and the answers from how to check the template_debug flag in a Django template. A bit deprecated.
If you want to support the channel